Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of an Audi Q7 from 2012. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start. We're gonna use this area over here. Press the menu button. Then you need to go to Setup MMI. These two lines represent these two buttons. So press this to go to Setup MMI menu. Then you can change with this button over here by pressing and scrolling it. Let's say we're going to change it to Dutch, and it takes a few seconds to change the language, and as you can see it changes to Dutch. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching our videos. Hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.